Dr. Funke Afolabi-Brown. I'm a pediatric pulmonologist and a sleep medicine physician at the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia. So electronic devices and screens have become an integral part of our children's lives. They're using it for schoolwork, they're using it for communication as well as entertainment. And while these have many benefits, we're realizing that it's impacting the quality of the sleep our children are getting. So when we talk about these devices, I'm talking about tablets, iPads, iPhones or cell phones, and computers and video games and the like. And so how do these devices affect our sleep? One thing they do is that they affect the quality of sleep our children get, as well as delay bedtime. And the way that screen time overall affects our children's sleep is by two main mechanisms. One is because the blue light, which is an artificial form of light that's released from the screens and the devices, actually suppresses the brain's ability to produce a sleep hormone called melatonin. And melatonin is a hormone of darkness, essentially, which is produced that makes you feel sleepy. And so in the presence of light, it sort of tricks the brain into thinking it's still daytime and the melatonin is not produced. And as a result of that, children fall asleep later. The other way is that, of course, after playing a video game or a lot of those activities on the screen, it makes it harder for children's minds to wind down. And so because of that, they're still somewhat hyped up at bedtime and have a harder time just really settling down to fall asleep. Another thing is there are a lot of notifications, especially for our teenagers on social media or texts and things like that, which can disrupt your child's sleep. So how can we promote healthy habits in terms of limiting screen time? The ideal would be to set what you would call a screen time curfew. And so what that is say about 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime to avoid any electronic use. And that can be a habit you have a discussion with your children about so that it doesn't catch them off guard. And so that curfew would be in place and it will give them time for them to be able to wind down and get ready for sleep. Another thing that would be helpful is that you avoid using electronics within the bedroom and really try to use electronics outside of the bedroom. So setting a space in the house where all the devices can be charged that's not within the bedroom, and limiting a TV or video games and things like that in the bedroom would also be helpful. And then a third thing is promote physical activity, promote engagement and interaction with their friends rather than online. Get them outside during the day to play, which also helps their body clocks and gets them ready for bed. Thank you.